Did you know that an average person reads 12 books every year? Isn't that amazing? It is. But did you know that we retain only 10% of what we read? What is the point of spending so much time and effort in reading if we can't remember what we read, right? I have found a 5-step formula using which I now remember 90% of what I read. And I'm able to implement it in my life as well, depending on what kind of content I'm reading, nor if it's fiction, of course. In this video, I'm going to share that 5-step formula with you all. First, read the table of contents. Surprisingly, not many people do that. The table of contents is a roadmap for how the book is going to proceed. The reason behind reading the table of content is very simple. It helps your mind understand what to expect. Second step, highlight points which you find interesting. Kindle even allows you to find all the highlighted points at one place. While you're highlighting, your mind recognizes that because you're doing something different apart from just reading, it must be important. Third step, look up anything that you don't understand. If you don't look it up, how will your knowledge increase? You will know what you already knew, right? So look up anything that doesn't make sense to you. Fourth, after the end of every chapter, write a summary just in 2 to 3 sentences. Write it on the book itself. Kindle too allows you to take notes. This gives you a higher level of comprehension because you write what you understood from the chapter in your own words. Doing all that I just said will take you just 10 to 15 minutes extra. That's it. Fifth point, discuss the chapter with someone. My husband and I read 2 books each every month, and after finishing a chapter, we discuss it with each other. We try and understand each other's perspective, which broadens our horizons on so many levels. You can do this with as many people as possible. The more you discuss, the more you will learn and the more you will retain. Doing all of these things will help you retain more than 70% of what you read. To get to 90%, all you have to do is revise after a week. Read those 2 to 3 line summaries that you wrote at the end of every chapter. Read the points which you highlighted while reading, and it'll all set in. There's one bonus tip which is my favorite. If you make a note of the 3 takeaways you have from any book you read, you can use those takeaways while writing an article, conversing with a friend or colleague, flaunting your knowledge in parties, and to actually apply those takeaways in your life. Believe me, I do this and it works wonders. Try out this formula and let me know how it goes. And if you like this video, please do consider subscribing. We are about to reach 100 subscribers and I'm super excited. And press the bell icon so that you know every time I come up with a new video, which is every Tuesday and Friday. And if you're just like me, working towards building a happier, healthier and successful life for yourself, make sure to check out these videos next. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.